Hey friends, got some Firefly LEDs, and we'll be showing you how to put them into the vanity light of your Toyota Tundra. This is for 2007 through 2019. What you want to do is you get your little tool, and right up underneath here, push that in there. Comes right out. Use your tool again to get that out of there. I just set it off to the side here. All right. I'll show you which one you put in there. And this is the one that looks kind of like a little fuse here. We're putting that one right in here. Okay, just simply push it in there. Now open up your light before you get your thing on there. Before you put your cap on. If it doesn't work, just flip it around and put it back. All right. Put the light back in there, the cover. Just put it like that, and it should snap into place. Now watch the difference here. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy bright, crazy nice. All right, thanks for watching this install video. We'll be doing another one soon.